How to fix your GM ignition without buying a new one. So I took mine out. Mine had a bunch of burnt contactors here and here and here. Essentially all you do is take off the backing piece right here. There are clips on the side of it. You pop them up with a screwdriver, all three of them. And then these pieces slide out and you clean them like that. They were black and they were disgusting, and it was why my Impala wasn't starting. This is $160 for little contactors that burn out. Clean it up, put it all back together, you're good to go.